Alright, hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the Skullcandy, the Hesh 2 wireless. Hopefully I pronounced that right. I want to show you guys how to pair it to the iPhone 7. And over here is the iPhone 7 Plus, so it works the same for 7 and 7 Plus together, right? So let's get started. Because this is the first time pairing it, let's head over to the settings. Everyone just go to settings, whoever's watching this video, and then go to Bluetooth. Then you power that on. So power on your Bluetooth, and like every other iPhone, the devices where it shows searching for devices is going to search for about maybe 2 minutes long before it stops, so you got plenty of time. Now let's head over to your Skullcandy, your Hesh 2, and first things first, make sure the headphones is completely off. Okay, so that's very important, because what I'm going to do is hold down the power on button over here and hold it down until you see this blue-red flashing lights, which means it's in pairing mode, and you have to get it into pairing mode for the headphones to show up on your phone and so that it can connect. So make sure it's completely off. Then you're going to continue holding down the button over here, and when you see the pink purplish color light, don't let it go, because it's just simply powering on and we're not waiting for that. We're waiting for it to go to pairing mode, which is the blue-red flashing lights. So let's go ahead and do that. It's about 5 to 6 seconds long. So make sure it's off, and we're going to hold down this button right here. So holding it down, starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And then we're going to get to that. You'll also hear the female voice prompt say pairing. Okay. So, and once you get to that, let's head back over to the phone, and you will see it show up as Hesh 2 wireless, and tap on it one time. It's going to do the pairing for you, and it'll show that it's connected on your phone. And that's basically it, guys, and you are now connected to your headphones with your iPhone 7. So thanks for watching. Like, share, sub. See ya.